After Jang Roxy returned home, Xiami searched online for the meaning behind a boy and a girl admiring the night scenery together. The results suggested it meant the boy liked the girl. Xiami could sense Jang Roxy's attitude toward her. Just earlier, they had pledged to apply to film school together, and the future seemed so close. Xiami began imagining their lives after graduating from film school, picturing them as rising stars in the entertainment industry. When faced with paparazzi questions, Jang Roxy would boldly admit that Xiami was his girlfriend. Just thinking about it made Xiami feel both happy and shy. When Jang Roxy got home, his parents weren't there. He looked around the house where he had grown up, feeling sad that it would soon belong to someone else. With his mother still in the hospital and everything weighing on him, Jang Roxy couldn't sleep all night. The school organized a shouting from the building activity for senior students to motivate each other. Class 1 and Class 6, as the main participants, felt a surge of energy from the activity. However, Lynn Rowley was disappointed after scoring 80 on her math test, far below her expectations. Frustrated, she crumpled her test paper and threw it away. Fan Yuan picked it up, analyzed the mistakes for her, and encouraged her not to give up. Jang Roxy began helping Xiami with her studies. When the endless math exercises became too dull for her, Xiami wanted to take a break. However, Jang Roxy handed her another test paper. Reluctantly, Xiami switched to reviewing basic screenwriting concepts for a bit of relief. Linroli and Fanyuan joined them, and Linroli, seeing Xiami's clear goals, felt envious. When the results of the monthly exams came out, Xiami ranked third in the class and 19th in the grade, a significant improvement that even surprised herself. In contrast, Lin Role felt left behind and was deeply upset. Fan Yuan pointed out that she had lost points mainly in physics and chemistry and suggested targeted tutoring over the summer to catch up. Zhang Ruoxi proposed a trip to Lu Mountain to watch the sunrise as a way to ease the recent academic pressure. In the early morning at Lu Mountain, the air was still chilly. Zhang Roxy took off his jacket and draped it over Siami's shoulders. Seeing this, Lin Roli, already wearing a coat, deliberately took hers off and walked over to Fan Yuan, prompting him to lend her his jacket. As the sun rose above the horizon, each person loudly shared their wishes. After watching the sunrise, the group started taking photos to remember the day. Lin Roli's shoes had a hole in them, and her insecurity made her reluctant to stand with the others. Fan Yuan sat alone by the seaside, deep in thought. Xiami approached him, and the two chatted about what they imagined their lives would be like in 10 years. Xiami thought Fan Yuan would become a top mathematician, Zhang Roxy an actor, and herself a screenwriter who cared little for appearances, busy chasing deadlines. Zhang Roxy joined them and vowed they would all work hard together. After the day at the park, Zhang Roxy and Fan Yuan walked Xiami home. Before parting, Fan Yuan gave Xiami an unexpected hug. Surprised, Xiami asked why. Fan Yuan explained that he would be traveling abroad with his parents during the summer. Zhang Ruoxi quickly guessed that Fan Yuan might be preparing to study abroad early. After Xiami left, Zhang Ruoxi asked Fan Yuan directly. Fan Yuan admitted it and asked Zhang Ruoxi to take good care of Xiami while also staying strong in the face of his own family's difficulties. The summer break ended quickly. On the first day of school, Xiami didn't see Zhang Roxy in the morning. When she asked Xiaojuni and Tianjarong, they both said they couldn't reach him. Even teacher Chao was looking for him. In the hallway, Lin Ruoli overheard classmates talking about Fan Yuan going to Germany. She hurriedly asked Xiami to confirm, but Xiami, unaware of this, was completely puzzled. Thinking Xiami was pretending, Lin Ruoli accused her of never treating her as a friend. Just then, Xie Yuhan passed by and commented that Fan Yuan went abroad to avoid being pestered by Lin Ruli. This sparked an argument between Lin Ruli and Xie Yuhan. When Xiami tried to intervene, Lin Roli angrily shoved her aside. After school, Xiami rushed to Zhang Roxy's house only to find movers carrying out furniture. They informed her that the house had already been sold. Feeling heartbroken, Xiami returned home, locked herself in her room, and cried quietly. A few days later, Xiao Juni asked in class if anyone had heard from Zhang Roxy, which triggered another round of tears from Xiami. Seeing this, Xie Yuhan revealed Zhang Roxy's location at the hospital. Xiami ran to the hospital and overheard the doctor explaining Zhang Roxy's mother's condition. She needed a heart transplant, but the chances of a match were very low. When Zhang Roxy saw Xiami, he broke down, pulling her into a tight embrace as he cried. After a while, his mother called for him from the hospital room. Zhang Roxy wiped his tears and returned to the room.